A summertime treat, grilled pineapple in a caramel sauce. Yeah, stay tuned, you're gonna love this one. I guarantee you that. I've got my grill nice and hot, so all I'm gonna do is put those pineapple spears on there, and they won't take long. Yeah, this is just some leftover pineapple I have from slicing up some for Polly for his lunch in school. So we just want to put those pieces of pineapple on there. We're gonna flip them over onto all different sides just to get them nice and grilled. And because it won't take long for the sugars to naturally caramelize, you want to keep an eye on it. It won't take more than about 5 to 6 minutes. I also have the burner on the side there on, where we're gonna create the caramel sauce as this grills off. I'm gonna put the lid on, but remember, you risk it burning if you're not paying attention to it. My pan is still cold. I'm gonna go in with the brown sugar, and that's a golden brown sugar. And I added some water in there, and I'm just gonna hit that a little stir, a little whisk. Yo, it's thunder here in there, boy. What kind of thing is that? But anyhow, if you wanted to start with a bit of butter, you can make it more rich with butter. For the richness, I would finish off with some cream. You will see I'm going to put some cream later. But if you wanted to start with butter, you can do that as well. Unsalted butter. What I forgot to mention earlier there is if you just wanted to start with the sugar, you can do that as well. You don't need any butter. You don't need any water. This is just the easier or the sort of foolproof way of doing it. And all I'm doing now is swirling that. Yeah, as it comes up to temperature, that water is going to reduce. It's going to start going frothy, and then it's going to start, it's going to go to a sort of a deep amber color, and that means we're almost there. It's only been about 4 minutes, and you can see what I'm talking about, how quickly it starts to caramelize. So, yo, you're going to start smelling that lovely perfume of that pineapple as well. So just keep an eye on things, yeah? And you can see nice big bubbles starting to happen. I'm just going to keep swirling this like so. What I will also do is add that ground cinnamon in there as well at this point, so that caramel sauce takes on that lovely cinnamon flavor. And you can see how quickly things are happening here. It's under 5 minutes, and you can see we've got that lovely sort of amber color coming together. I've got that lovely caramel sauce in there, so what I want to do now, and it's going to get pretty violent. You may want to back away a little, and I'm going to add the heavy cream. All I'm doing now is whisking that to bring it back up to temperature. It's been about 3.5 minutes since I added the cream, so I'm going to go in with the pieces of pineapple. I'm just going to toss them in there and let it take on that lovely caramel flavor and color and everything else. Now remember to flip them over so everything is coated in that lovely caramel sauce. And the color, you can, if you wanted to add more sugar, or you wanted to go darker earlier with the caramel sauce before we added the cream, you can do that as well. But for now, this is where I want it to be. It's nice and creamy, and the color is because of the cream that we added in there. Chris here, CaribbeanPot.com. I do hope you all get an opportunity to give this one a try. Grilled pineapple in a caramel sauce. Now, if you want to get an adult version of this one where there's all kind of nice rum and thing, drop me a comment down below and I'll try to get to it.